Your misunderstanding of sneezing. A single sneeze can emit tens of thousands of droplets of saliva that travel outward at a speed of 35 meters per second. Large particles of saliva visible to the naked eye can travel up to 2 to 3 meters, while saliva that is invisible to the eye can fly up to 8 meters and cough up to 6 meters. Some of the smaller droplets are spread throughout the house in just a few seconds, with the help of ventilation and tiny air currents. A sneeze contains millions of microbes that can live for days. So if you love human body facts,